Do you want your DJI Mini 3 to look as cool as little Timmy's here? We thought you did. Hey Timmy, show off your new drone. Oh, it looks like it's hit a bit of turbulence. Oh no. Oh, Timmy? Oh God! What have I
created? We've finally put Timmy to bed, hopefully for a while. And that means we can focus on skinning this. Step 1, and I don't mention this in every single video, but you should always clean your device before skinning it. Especially with a drone, which is outdoors and it'll get dirty. You're gonna want to make sure all of the dust, all of the dirt, everything is off of the surface before you put the decal on there. And the second thing to note is that there are a lot of parts that go into this. Too many for me to mention whenever we're going at 8 times the speed of how I normally would. So, if you need to, pause the video and really pay attention to where I'm placing the decals. It's going to help you so much in the long run. My usual method is starting with the top, going to the bottom, and then switching over to doing the legs, but you can really do this in any order so long as you take note of which pieces go where. Whenever lining up the top, however, I do like to make sure that all of the designs on the back, all of the cutouts match up with what they're supposed to. Those include the battery lights, they include the logo, and they include the button. Once you have that, everything else is going to fall perfectly into place. Now, our skin actually includes 4 parts for the batteries. We're not going to apply all of them here, but we will show you how to apply one of them, and then you can just do the same exact thing for the rest of your batteries. They are all the same. The legs are easily the hardest part about this device. The decals just look like a wonky rectangle that doesn't really make much sense with the product itself, but there's a few defining features that are going to help you out here. First, you have the little semicircle on the back legs. Keep that in mind and use that to place it on the underside of the leg here. Then on the front leg, you will see this area that juts out just a little bit more than the rest at a sharp angle. That's going to go over the sharp angle on the bottom of the leg. Then you can just fold the rest over and it'll match up pretty well. And just like that, your skin is finished. Here's a little montage to celebrate the final results.